Hi guys, today we will be learning how we can connect our domain purchase on GoDaddy to Hostinger account, Hostinger hosting. First of all, go to domains, click on transfers. Now click on transfer to Hostinger. Now enter your domain here. I'll be hiding everywhere the domain comes because it is my client's domain. Transfer. Now go to your hosting and click on manage on your hosting plan. Here you can see the domain is not connected. Click on connect here. Now these are the new hosting servers NS1 DNS parking which we have to implement on our GoDaddy domain. So let's go to GoDaddy. Here we are in GoDaddy. Click on profile, click on my product. Here you can see the domain. Scroll down and now click on DNS in front of your domain. Now you have to go to the name servers. Here we have click on change name servers. Click on I'll use my own. Now here we will add these two name servers, NS1 and NS2 server. Do slow down the video if I'm talking too fast. Click on continue and a pop-up will show that your request is in progress on the top right corner. Here it is. So let's get back to our Hostinger hosting. Let's check the name servers again. Yeah, the name servers are changed here and it will take approximately 24 hours. So yeah, here it says 24 hours to connect your site, and within 24 hours your website will be transferred, your domain will be transferred. So do let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions like this or any other query, and do like and subscribe my channel so it keeps me motivated for making new videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.